Hey guys, welcome back. It is day 4 of our solving systems of equations. So today we're doing a new method. We've done graphing for 3 days now. Today we're practicing with substitution. Okay, so what does substitution mean? Well, it means we're going to plug something in for something else. Okay, look at this equation. In this equation, y has been solved. Okay, y is equal to 3x plus 2. So our first step, we're going to put 3x plus 2 in for y. So we're going to take and we're going to put this right here. Okay, we're going to solve for x. Okay, so let's do that. Let's see what that would look like. So we've got x plus 2 times 3x plus 2 equals 11. Okay, so we just took our y and put it in place of the y in the second equation. Okay, well, what do you do when you see parentheses like this? Well, we're going to multiply through. So we've got x plus 6x plus 4 equals 11. All right, well, let's see here. Add these together. These are like terms, so let's have 7x plus 4 equals 11 minus 4. 7x equals 7. So hopefully you see we'll divide by 7. X is 1. All right. So we've got x is 1. Done. Step 2. Check. Step 1, check. Okay, plug in for x. So we're going to plug 1 in. In for x. Okay, let's put it into this equation since y is by itself. So y equals 3 times 1 plus 2. So I took this number and put it right there. Okay, so y equals, well, 3 times 1 is 3, plus 2, y is 5. Okay, so we've got an x, we've got a y. Our last step is to write it down as an ordered pair, 1, comma, 5. Hey, remember what we said? We could check these and see if they work. Okay, you can do a quick check and see if they work. Like if you get some wacky number and you're not sure, okay, well then let's check it. Okay, if you need to, pause that video, write that stuff down, process it, but otherwise we're going to go over here. All right, so over here, let's see here. Well, which one of our variables is solved for? Oh, this one is solved for. Okay, so that means it's what x is. So we're going to put 2y minus 5 in for x in the second one. So we're going to put that right there and solve for y. Okay, so let's see what that looks like. So instead of x, we're going to put 2y minus 5. So I've got 2 times 2y minus 5 minus y equals 11. Okay, distribute. And we've got 4y minus 10 minus y equals 11. Okay, I'm going to add my y's. So 4y minus y is 3y minus 10 equals 11. Okay, solve for y. So add 10. 3y equals 21. Divide by 3. And y is 7. Okay, hey, if any part on here gets confusing, star it, come back to it, ask about it tomorrow. Okay, so step 1 is done. Step 2 is done. This time, plug 7 in for y. Okay, if you do that, 7 in place of y, okay, put it into this equation right here. So x equals 2 times 7 minus 5. 14 minus 5 is 9. Okay, so that ordered pair is, okay, remember x always comes first, 9 comma 7. And you could check again. If you wanted to check, I can show you that in class too. That's an important tool to be able to do. Again, if you need to, pause the video and come back to that and write it down. Okay, give yourself time to solve both of these. Okay, give yourself some time to solve both of these. Pause the video, try them out, see how you do. Okay, hopefully you tried it out. Otherwise, I'm going to roll through it pretty fast so we can see x is y minus 5. So I'm going to put that in place of x. So I've got y minus 3 times y minus 5. Uh-oh, there's a negative here. Distribute the negative. So negative 3 times y. Negative 3 times negative 5 is y minus 3y plus 15 equals 5. Okay, combine like terms. Y minus 3y is negative 2y plus 15 equals 5. Subtract 15. Negative 2y. Don't forget to bring down the negative. Equals negative 10. Divide by negative 2, and y is 5. Didn't show that last step. But, okay, so take y is negative 5, put it back into this equation. So x equals 5 minus 5. Oh, well, 5 minus 5 is 0. So it looks like our solution is 0, 5. Okay, if you want, oh, that's not a very good parenthesis. If you want to check it, let's put it right in here. Put it into the other one. Okay, so remember, this is your x, this is your y. Okay, so 5 minus 3 times 0 equals 5. Oh, yeah, 5 equals 5. Check, check. Okay, hey, this one, let's look at tomorrow. We'll take a second to check. Do it now. Do now. Let's look at it tomorrow, okay? So do it now. We'll look at it tomorrow. We're not done, though. Not done. We're going to move on to the next step. Okay, guys, so let's look at this. Miss Beal has $4.50 in dimes and quarters. She has 3 more dimes than quarters. How many of each coin does she have? Okay, so let's start off with this statement. Okay, so we know she has $4.50 in dimes and quarters. Okay, knowing that, let's have x be dimes and y be quarters. Okay, well, how much of a dollar is a dime? 0.10x plus 0.25y equals, how much does she total have? $4.50. Okay, in the next step, she has 3 more dimes than quarters. So the dimes, or the quarters equal, or the dimes equal 3 more quarters than that. There's 3 more dimes than quarters. So the number of dimes she has is equal to the number of quarters plus 3. Okay, so you can take this, substitute this in right there, and solve for the number of quarters, solve for the number of dimes. Okay, we'll finish this tomorrow. Try out, see how much you can do, and circle any questions that you have. Okay, so see you Monday. Have a wonderful weekend. Go football team. Hope it's a great one. All right, bye.